Why would you describe an Igbo god of war as the devil itself or Satan? Meanwhile, you have a rapist god in Zeus, and you glorify Zeus, the Greek god. And then you teach me to believe that my own god of war, or the god of war of my ancestors, is the devil itself.
This is the Stereopsis.
Welcome everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching us from. This is the Stereopsis. Ekwensu. A woman is caught cheating. Ekwensu. Somebody is caught stealing. Ekwensu. An idiot murders someone. Ekwensu is to blame. Nobody blames itself. Who is really this Ekwensu? Ekwensu, to the best of my knowledge, is a replica of the Roman god Mercury and the Chinese god Guandi, the Norse star god called Loki. Ekwensu is a misplaced rendition of the Igbo god of craft, trade, negotiation, and war. I tell you, Ekwensu is a war god. Ekwensu is not the devil. Those who describe the Ekwensu as the devil were the earliest Christian missionary in their interpretation or in their quest to find something more similar to their devil or Satan. Same applied to the Yoruba people when the earliest Christian missionaries described Eshu, which is the Yoruba god that teaches that there is always two sides or more to every issue. It's also a trickster god, just like Ekwensu. Ekwensu is a god of war, I repeat, and trade. Traders employs to Ekwensu to give them the benediction of the day when they go out for their daily trading activities. And those who are in a state of war employs Ekwensu to give them victory in the warfare. Why must even a pastor describe Ekwensu to be the perfect rendition of the devil? Oyekwe Osu. I was so disappointed because the man or the person who, while preaching, described Ekwensu as being the devil or the perfect rendition of the devil is ignorant of Igbo cosmology. The Igbo man does not believe in the existence of heaven or hell as propounded by Dante, the Italian poet. You can make research. The Igbo man believes that there is life after life, which we call reincarnation. The Igbo man believes in the existence of good and evil. Ime mma ọ dị eche gị. Ime njọ ọ dị eche gị. You reap them where? Here on earth. In Igbo cosmology, Ekwensu is another god in the same light with Ane, Igwe, and that is where it's from the Igwe you get Igwe Kalo, and then you also get Oganigwe, Ulisabinigwe, and all whatnot. So, why would you describe an Igbo god of war as the devil itself or Satan? Meanwhile, you have a rapist god in Zeus, and you glorify Zeus, the Greek god. And then you teach me to believe that my own god of war, or the god of war of my ancestors, is the devil itself. Are you not a deceptionist? You go ahead glorifying Europa. A lot of people do not even bother to research the origin of the term Europe. Or you see Europa League. Or you see European Champions League. You just watch them and then you pay deaf ear. Europa is also a god. It's a Greek god. I leave you the assignment. I give you this to search what that god does. But I cannot allow you to paint our own Ekwensu to be the devil. The Yoruba people, in their own wisdom, a lot of Yoruba academians and protagonists, Yoruba protagonists, fought against the use of their own god, Eshu, being painted as the devil. Today they have a different name for the devil. You told me about the devil, right? Satan. So we call it Shatan. And I tell you that Igbo people must work hard to coin another name for Satan, not Ekwensu. Ekwensu is a miscued rendition of the devil or of Satan in Igbo language.